Hello and welcome, because today I'm going to be giving away a really valuable lesson that you should fully listen to and do not skip, in my opinion. And I'm going to tell you how you should be charting before you take a trade and what time frames you should look for mainly to find structure and to find possible trade entries and targets. So, this lesson is going to be really important because this is how I mainly do it. And there are so many questions from traders, from beginners. What time was that? What time you should look for your trades? What time you should look for your analysis and etc. So first of all, I'm on a backtesting site. So first of all, what you need to do is like just couple times, maybe once a week, look for a daily and weekly time frames. You could look for a monthly time frame, like rarely. I rarely look at it, but you need to be monitoring daily mainly because you need to have a couple looks on it because right now where we are on this chart is a possible reversal place or possible retracement place that could take place on the market because where we are in the premium array of this range, yeah, this is our dealing range because we swapped highs and we came down and swept lows. So if price is going to have a retracement is from this order block, possibly if price confirms on the lower time frame, which I'm going to show you as well. So first of all, when you get on the charts, when your trading time is, you need to have marked out your uh, previous daily high, previous daily highs and previous daily lows. So we need to have both of them marked mainly, and that is going to be our like daily low hanging fruit targets. Then we move on to hourly or 4 hourly. We look at the structure, what structure tells us, right? So we are going to look for a low resistance liquidity and equal highs at equal lows, right? So on hourly, what I see here is we had a we took out this swing high, we have this low resistance liquid here, but we also have these equal highs resting above here. So let me move on to 15-minute time frame. Here, as you can see, what I would do, that what I see, if we displace lower and close the body below this order block, I would like to take shorts and target these lows, these low hanging fruit targets, and possibly price could go for previous daily low, which I would like to. If price confirms bearishness is on 15-minute, I like to take trades on 1 minute time frame. If I take a trade on 1 minute time frame, I would need a 15-minute PD array, at least 15-minute PD array. If there is a 5-minute PD array, I'm going to take a trade on 15-second time frame. But today I cannot demonstrate that because I'm on a backtesting side, which doesn't allow us to go on a 15-second and anywhere lower than that. So, of course, you need to be waiting for the correct times because time is much more important than price. So as you can see, we're at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. New York local time. So I would like to skip some till 9:30 occurs. So we displace lower, we close our body below it, but I'm not gonna take a trade because time is not right for me right now. So we might still move to the upside because of that. So I need to wait. So look, we are not really respecting this premium arrays that this price leg down created, which could possibly still go up before we come down. Yeah, we went up. We took out these equal highs here that we have. 9:30 occurred, right? So now, what would my possible target could be? It could be like right now, as I look at the price, I see the previous daily high is more likely to be hit than previous daily low, right? Because we failed to displace this displacement failed to offer us sell side. if this displacement failed to offer a sell side, buy side should be next, which is a previous daily high before we reverse lower. So what I would like you guys to learn from this is that before your time comes to trade, like 9:30 mainly, that's what people trade, or it's London for you, doesn't matter. It's PM session, New York lunchtime, doesn't matter. Before your time, like your time comes to trade, where you have a rule that you need to be trading on that specific time, don't have a bias. Don't even look at the market. When the time comes, like sit down 5-10 minutes before your trading time, and that's gonna help a lot. That's gonna help a lot because you're not gonna stress a lot more than you do, like if you were watching the charts an hour or 2 hours before and analyzing from there. No, you, you need to be patient. You need to let price tell you what it wants to do, right? So right now, what I see, price told me that he wants to go bullish. This week doesn't scare me because previous daily high, I know previous daily high is my target. So I don't look at SMTs here, so it's gonna be kind of tough for me. But I'm gonna mark some fair value gaps here, which I would like to price the disrespect and find support on. This is a good fair value gap because it is previously respected, which I teach to my mentorship students. So we have this reclaimed order block here. Okay, let me skip some. Okay, now I like this. We created an order block here, and no, we did not, but yeah, which I like. So let me. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, we disrespected. Okay, now I'm gonna take a long here, long setup here. Put my stop below this order block body, and target previous daily high. Good 1 to 2 risk to reward. Whatever this 1%. And we can see. Nice. TP was it. So my stop loss was reasonable because we were. I put my stop. Like what ICT teaches is, he says that you need to put your stop loss below at least 3 PD arrays. What covers me here? This inversion fair value gap here, which got reclaimed afterwards. But we also had this volume imbalance and this fair value gap to get filled. We have this order block as well. So we have 3 PD arrays that could cover me. And also you could call this a mitigation block, which mitigated and then went higher. Okay, I'm gonna show you a couple more examples. I still have my order block marked out on a daily. So if we're waiting for a reversal from here or retracement, we should get it from here. But for now, we don't see any bearishness on the market. There's no bearish structure. For me to trust this daily fair value gap to be bearish and target this really nice and smooth low resistance liquidity that we have here in equal lows, I need a displacement lower or a disrespect of a bullish PD array and also a time, right? So let's go on a 15-minute time frame and let's just skip some candles, right? Okay, we had a rejection here, but still, I could find a 1-minute entry from this bearish fair value gap. But is it a high probability trade? No, because you don't want to catch tops and bottoms on the market. That's gonna drain you. It's not healthy in trading. So you need to wait. You need to be patient and wait for price to tell you what it wants to do. So here I'm gonna mark. I really like fair value gaps, so I'm gonna mark this respected previously fair value gap. So I'm gonna skip a couple more because let's wait for 9:30. Okay, 9:30 occurred. Swap this side. We could have an SMT here. I would like to see price close below this order block here. Okay, we reached. I told you, like this is the example. Like you need to wait for the correct time for it to be a high probability. Like if I didn't wait here for a high time frame, like 15-minute or an hourly displacement lower, or a bearish PDRA created on that high time frame, these 1 minute shorters here, even ICT traders here, shorting here, anywhere here from this from this inversion, they're gonna get smacked, right? They're gonna get smacked easily. So I'm gonna be patient here, wait for price to do. Okay, we close below it. Nice. Now, if we retrace up here, I am going to be looking to take shorts on this market. Okay. Okay, we're still going lower. Okay, let's look at the situation again. I skipped the line and I didn't find any retracement. So, all these low resistance liquidity run that we got here, I didn't find any trades. Why? Because price didn't retrace to any of my PD rays. Like I was waiting for price to retrace in here or here. It didn't do that. So it's a win for me because I didn't lose any trades. I was patient. That's what you need to be profitable in these markets. Now the day is done and I'm gonna wait for the next day to find a setup for me, which I'm gonna skip, and you can see. Okay, here, as you can see, we reversed. No, on a daily it's a retracement. We retraced into this. We retraced from mean threshold of this order block, where into the discount array, which is what this breaker. We have pretty much nothing more in here to retrace to, this little gap that we could retrace to. But if price touches this and we see a confirmation entry on an hourly or a 15-minute displacement higher, or a change instead of a delivery, which is CISD, right? Okay, let me type it. CISD, which is what? An order block, right? If we see a change instead of a delivery from this high time frame PDRA, I am going to be looking for longs. Where to the old highs that we left during this retracement lower. We didn't have any retracements higher, which leads us to what? Which leads us to thinking that we left a lot of equal highs. As you can see, we have these equal highs here, and we have this imbalance which is unmitigated, which is a really good target for price if price starts to form a bullish program. It's going to be easy to target this. Like from here, it could be a low risk entry, which is a market maker buy model. As you can see, we have a smart money reversal here, low risk buy, and these low risk buys are the highest risk, holds the highest risk entry on the market. What we need to do if we want to catch the high probability trade, we need to be longing from redistribution phase of the price, which is could be possibly around from here, like from this gap on the left, right? This gap that I see could form a good redistribution, or this gap up there, right? So the moral of the story is that what did we get here? We went lower, took out the sell side, like tapped the high time frame PD array, and what is this two down close candles tells us, right? This is a bearish price here. We closed above it, and now we change the state of delivery here. This isn't your bullish order block, the two bearish candles, and I'm going to be looking to trade off of that bullish order block, off of that discount array. So I'm gonna skip. Okay, we took sell side. Now we displaced higher. We're around PM session. My stop here and target the highs that we have here. I could target this high, these equal highs, but it's not. I would like to take a low hanging fruit target rather than taking. Oh no. Okay, how bad? Wait. I need a limit order. Nice. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take partials along the way. I'm going to take a partial on this side, because why not? I take 15% there. Move my stop on break even. Now we'll let the rest run to those highs. Nicely. Nice. Good job. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new. And as always, goodbye and have a great trading.